If you've come to know my experience with the Pixel 6a, I've actually dubbed this to be the true special edition SE phone of 2022, while still offering you a flagship killer level experience. There are reasons for this, so here's 5 things I love about the Pixel 6a. Hi, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this and you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any new videos on the channel. Now, before I go ahead into the 5 things I love about the Pixel 6a, make sure you stick around to the end, as I am giving away one Pixel 6a to one of you lucky and awesome subscribers on my channel. Yes, you heard right. One of you will be getting a brand new sealed Pixel 6a, so stick around to the end for the full details. With that out of the way, let's get into it. First thing is the Tensor Chip in the Pixel 6a. This is the first A-series device from Google in which they decided to put a full-scale flagship chipset, and boy, does it make a massive difference in the overall performance and features enabled for the Pixel 6a. This really shows how much Google cares about giving you a consistent, high-performing experience on all their phones this time around, which definitely shows day to day when using the Pixel 6a. The 5nm Tensor Chip is the truth, and for sure, it's definitely going to be doing the rounds when in the Pixel 6a. Next is the Google Pixel software experience, and I've come to realize that this is the smoothest and the most consistent Android experience right now, with Google also promising 3 years of OS version updates and also 5 years of security support. The top of the line voice to text features backed with the power of Tensor, and just how clean the Material U elements are with the UI, the Pixel Experience UI is legit a breath of fresh air when using Android, especially on this Pixel 6a. I have to say, for me, the camera experience is top of the line, my favorite experience on the Pixel 6a. And dare I say, it's almost a cheat code just how good it is for a £399 smartphone. This is the first compact A-series device to finally have an ultra-wide as well as a wide camera, so that gives you even more flexibility. From the ability to shoot 4K up to 30 frames a second on both these cameras at the back, and also the ability to shoot 4K 60 frames a second on the main camera with class-leading video stabilization, it just really makes the performance of the camera on the Pixel 6a legit. Now, the video performance is one thing, but the photo performance that comes alive is excellent, with great dynamic range, good detail, stellar portrait mode, and most important, accurate and consistent colors thanks to Google's Real Tone. If you think Real Tone is not legit, then let me tell you, especially for someone with darker skin complexion like myself, nothing comes close to just how good Real Tone is. Next is the battery life, and considering the size of the phone, it packs a nice sized 4410 mAh battery that does translate to solid and consistent battery life when using it day to day. Optimizations from Google's adaptive battery preferences and the efficiency of the OLED display and the 5nm Tensor Chip, the battery life is one area on the Pixel 6a that does really well considering the size of the phone. Last but not the least is the price, and at £399 to get all of the above mentioned things, all surrounded by the top tier Tensor experience, the Pixel 6a is arguably one of the best price to performance devices to hit the sub £400 price range in this mid-range pack. Whew. Now drop me a fist bump emoji if you manage to make it this far into the video, because it's now time for the giveaway details on how one of you lucky and amazing subscribers can get a brand new Pixel 6a. Firstly, this giveaway is going to be running for 2 weeks after this video goes live. Next is that this giveaway is strictly running in the UK only, so sadly the rest of the world is out this giveaway this time around, so just my UK subscribers only. All you have to do, and follow the instructions and I will have in the description, is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, follow me on both Twitter and Instagram, and make sure you turn on notifications, especially for Twitter and Instagram, as I will be announcing the winner there after 2 weeks when this video goes live. After that, just leave a comment in this video about your favorite feature on the Pixel 6a and why. Do not leave your social media handle in the comments, or else there is a high chance YouTube will auto-delete it, as it has happened before. And another thing, any duplicate comments will be disqualified. I will post this particular video on my Twitter when it goes live, so to make it easier for your comment to be spotted, just screenshot your comment and reply underneath the Twitter post. Now look, that is not mandatory, but it definitely does help spotting you out. You will have 48 hours to respond once contacted if you do win. If not, then a new winner will be selected. Best of luck, and that is it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.